What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel here on YouTube. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this kind of stuff, guys, please do check out my other videos. Get involved, smash the subscribe button and the like button, and do comment below. I do read all your comments as well. And on today's episode, we're just going to be covering likes Triple F Connection, Stradman, DD, and a few others. I just cover 5 channels, guys, in my videos. And yeah, we're just not going to hang around. We're just going to jump straight into the action. So first off the bat is going to be Triple F Connection. So their latest video was them basically they've already gotten the car. It's like a pre-order, but their new Pagani Huayra BC. I think it's a Roadster. I'm not too sure, but my God, it's unbelievable. They paid $4.5 million for this car. It's absolutely fucking insane. Now, I am a massive Huayra fan. They're like one of my top 5 cars ever, especially my most favorite interior ever as well. The spec they've made this is absolutely gorgeous. Carbon fiber everywhere. Interior is really nice. It's not as good as the interiors I like in other Huayras, but it is a pretty sweet interior. They went for a red and black and carbon combo. I like the wheels. The only thing I don't like about the wheels is the red outer bit around it. But it's a stunning car. They've spent $4.5 million on it. Like, Triple F have some unfucking real cars coming down this year. Like, I think they're probably going to be the biggest YouTubers in car purchases this year. I can't really see anybody else getting close to maybe Manny Cashman, not too sure. But I don't know, guys, $4.5 million on a Huayra BC is a lot of moolies to be spending on a car. I know, do you think, comment below, it's worth $4.5 million. If you're rich, would you spend $4.5 million on a Huayra BC? It's a good question. I don't know. It depends how rich you have to be, I suppose. But my God, these guys are just buying cars like they're a kid in a candy store. It's insane. I love watching on a delivery day. It's very, very fascinating, and their choices. You know, the hypercars they're buying, supercars, Triple F are just an amazing channel, and they will only get bigger and better, and I cannot wait to see what other cars they get in. So let me know, guys, in the comments below what you think of Triple F Connections channel as well. Next up, guys, is going to be Stradman. So Stradman's recent video was he didn't buy it, he is going to buy one. But Chevrolet were nice enough. I think they're going around touring their Z06, and obviously they reached out to Stradman to drop it off to him to have a look at it. And my God, I was not prepared to see it. Like, the Z06 looks amazing. Just even the subtle changes that they made to it, to the original C8. But that engine that they have, it's over 600 horsepower. To get it up to a supercar sounding, you know, Chevrolet are unbelievable, like, of what they've done now. They really are like pushing the big, pushing out the boat for other big companies to maybe start looking at lowering their price tags on supercars. And for under 100,000, for a car to sound like this is fucking epic. Have a listen to this.
It is hard to explain to you guys how cold it is in Utah. Like a bunch of hobos sitting around. Alright, that sounds like that's at the wake up, 25 degrees. That sounds incredible.
And there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Z06. I mean, if you're in a position to buy one, I'm going to get one. I think they said they're going for around $85,000, maybe 90, but I'm presuming they're going to go for like 10, maybe even 20,000 over sticker, because there's going to be so many people wanting them. So I'm guessing to buy one, you're going to be looking around 100 or 100 up to maybe buy one. But again, to get a new supercar with over 600 horsepower for that money, that is some amount of fucking car you're getting for that price tag. And to sound like that, I mean, if I could afford one, it would definitely be on my list, hands down. No wonder Stradman. Oh well, a lot of YouTubers are going to get their hands on Z06s, like, they have the money. Like TJ Hunt, Stradman, maybe even DD, you might get one. We'll see, but it sounds fucking awesome, and I'm really liking what Chevrolet have done here. Fair juice to them. I don't know if we'll ever see one over here in the UK or Europe, but you never know. Next up, guys, is going to be DD. DD, basically, his recent video, Damon was just basically addressing where the Lamborghini Murcielago has been, and it's been in with the guys at, you know who I'm on about, or basically where he lives, and a billionaire Mike Hall and all those guys, but basically the transmission is getting refreshed, you could say, new parts. I think he's just trying to get this car to a point where it's like new again. He's put a lot of money into this Lamborghini, I mean into the Murcielago. I think nobody wanted to touch it because of the amount of money that had to go into it. But what I feel is that Damon went for this because it was probably the cheapest out there with the SV kit on it, and he knew a lot of money had to go into it. But I think he knew if he didn't, this is the cheapest one he was going to get, that he had to go away and get it now because the prices were going to go even up higher again, and it was a manual. So, you know, it's cost him more money in the long term to get the car to where it is, but he's still going to get his money back if he was to sell it in a few months' time or in 1 or 2 years' time, because those things are just, you know, it's going to be worth over $1 million, I'd say, you know, maybe at some stage. But that's where it's been. It's interesting to see what's been going on with it. You miss seeing it around. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Do you want him to wrap the Murcielago again or not? Be interesting to hear your thoughts and opinions. I think he's keeping a lot of his cars kind of normal at the moment, and there's no winter build either. But yeah, look, it's cool to see what's been going on at the Murcielago. At least we know now. Oh, ideal cars. Okay, ideal cars basically have covered affordable cars of our favorite sports cars back in the early noughties and 2000s and stuff like that. So basically JDM cars that are gone way too expensive. So like a Supra, you know, the Evos, the really expensive Mustangs, stuff like that. They were just giving you alternatives. So these cars are, you know, anywhere from like 40,000 upwards, and the cars they've been giving is like 20,000, between 15, 20 to 30,000. Really good list. One of the side ones I think was a replacement to Supra was an EcoBoost, a Mustang EcoBoost, which is a good shout actually. You know, anything with a turbo on it that's pushing around 300 brake horsepower, guys. I mean, you can only go away and get more mods for it and make it even faster. I wouldn't say no to the EcoBoost, so just tune the living hell out of it and make it look better, I suppose. But it was a good list. I would have thrown in an Audi TTS in there, maybe for one of the cars. Would have been one of my picks. But yeah, it was good to see their list and what they pick, and you know, gives you food for thought. I can't get over the prices of cars in the States. It is fucking insanity, those prices over there. I just can't get it. Like, it's madness. I mean, the States have gone bonkers. I know car prices are really up at the moment, but right now it's gone insanity. But yeah, check out Ideal Media, guys, if you want to see their list. It's a pretty good video indeed. And last up on the list is going to be Paradox Rapper. He has gone away and he has wrapped a customer's Frisker Karma. I very rarely seen these cars around. I remember Vehicle Versions covered one. He wrapped it in this kind of really nice, I think he got a dragon skin purple or something. Basically a deep luscious kind of purple. Came out really nice. I am and I'm not a big fan of the Fisker. It is nice. The only thing I don't like about it is I like the shape of it, but the front bumper and the back bumper, they just don't look right. The wheels just look shitty on it as well. I mean, if you could modify it, and obviously I think there's an electric motor to all four wheels, and I think I heard that they're not that quick at all. They're supposed to be fast, but they're not. They're supposed to be unbelievably slow. So yeah, I mean, like, fair dues to your man for getting one. But the rack came out nice. Paradox Rapper always does some really good work. Really love watching him doing customers' cars and the way they come out, and just give you different color ideas. You know, I'm always going to go around wraps in the future whenever I start getting back in car projects. So definitely check out his channel, guys. Link in the description below. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and you really liked it. If you watched to the end, thanks a million. Just fucking smash the like button. What else going to do? It's free. And also, if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Smash it to date, and then you can always unsubscribe whenever you want. It's free, guys, so just help out the channel. So until the next episode, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.